Take a look at this TikTok video. It has almost 14 million views and drove over $170,000 in product sales on TikTok Shop. Now look at this one. It has almost 5 million views and made over $80,000 in sales revenue. Have you noticed anything strange? Both were created using AI avatars, not real people. The owner of this TikTok account has generated $262,000 in revenue in just last month, and every single one of their videos is 100% AI generated. Now I know for a fact that commission for these videos are anywhere between 10 to 30%. So today I'll walk you through the exact AI strategy that's making some creators up to 6 figures in affiliate commissions without ever showing their face. What I'm about to show you is so simple, it almost feels like cheating. But what if TikTok Shop isn't available in your country, or you don't want to wait to hit 1,000 followers? Getting a pre-monetized account can be your shortcut. They give you instant access to TikTok's affiliate program, even if your region doesn't support it. Just make sure you're getting one from a trusted source. I'll drop a link in the description to a legit website. And once you're in, formula is simple. Find winning products, crank up AI generated testimonials at scale, and post multiple clips daily. But the difference between creators who make a few dollars and those who make thousands isn't just about content volume. It's about promoting products that are already proven to convert. This is why AIDA completely changes the game. When you first log into their website after signing up for their 7-day free trial, you will instantly see why it's worth every penny. The interface is so friendly, giving you real-time insights into what's actually making money on TikTok Shop right now. Let me walk you through how to use it properly. Right away, you will see top products, top creators, and their best-selling products along with the exact revenue they've generated. Over on the right, you will find top shops, and if you scroll down, you will come across top performing videos. Hover over them to watch a preview of the video, download it, and even grab their script to model after, which I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Now, if you scroll back up, you'll find the creator tab where you can check out top affiliates and see detailed stats, including how much revenue they've generated in the past month. Next up is product tab, where you can explore top performing products along with their key metrics. Here's something most creators completely overlook. Don't just glance at the product stats. Dissect the competitor video. AIDA gives you a backstage pass to see exactly which selling angle are crushing it right now. Are top creators using problem solution storytelling or dramatic before and after transformation? This isn't just data, it's a roadmap to your next viral video. While AIDA shows you what's selling, you still need someone to promote those products. But what if you're camera shy, or you don't want to pay $200 plus for a real UGC creator? AI avatars are literally changing the game for affiliates who want to scale without showing their face or breaking the bank. And honestly, most viewers can't even tell they're not real people. It's kind of getting freaky. Let me show you exactly how to create these AI videos using ARC ads. Click the link in the description to follow along with me. Keep in mind, this is a paid tool, but it costs a fraction of hiring a UGC creator. And instead of waiting weeks for a video, you can create one in just 5 minutes. Okay, now once you're logged in, you'll see ArcAds has tons of AI actors to choose from. You can filter these avatars based on what your audience responds to. You can choose a specific gender, age range, or ethnicity. You can even filter for avatars holding pets or using accessories or choosing their location. Let me show you how this works in practice. Say you're promoting a fitness product. You want to select an avatar that looks energetic and youthful. And let's say they're in a gym. These types of avatars tends to perform much better for fitness and beauty products. Now, if you're promoting something in health and wellness space, you might want to go with a more mature looking avatar that viewers will trust with their health decisions. Now, don't just pick any avatar. Listen to their voice preview first. Let's listen to a few examples.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural...
The voice is actually super important because it needs to match the tone of your video. Some avatars sounds more enthusiastic.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use.
While others have more professional tone.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use.
Take a minute to find the perfect match for your product. Once you've picked your avatar and choose wisely, it will cost you 1 credit. Paste your script here. And don't worry if you're not sure how to write the perfect script right now. I'm going to show you how to use AI to model after viral video script formula in just a few minutes, so hang tight, we'll get to that later. Now, adjust the voice setting. You can customize the speed, stability, and clarity of the voice, change the accent, and so on. This is absolutely crucial for making your AI video sound natural. If the voice sounds too robotic or talks too fast, viewers will immediately know it's AI and scroll past. So play around with your script and video setting to get the best results. Now, press generate video. Now it's been 5 minutes and our video is ready, and here's the results.
Who else has ever tried to work out and felt like they just fell flat on their face? Literally. Well, I'm here to show you the one tool that's about to change the game for your core.
You know what the biggest advantage of this is? How it lets you create AI characters at scale. UGC creators might take days to deliver a single video, but now you can produce multiple high-quality videos in under an hour. This efficiency is absolutely crucial when you're trying to compete in the TikTok Shop space, where timing can make or break your success. By the way, if this stuff is helpful, hitting that subscribe button would mean a lot. I'm constantly testing new methods and sharing what's working right now. Now that raw AI video we just created, it's basically worthless until we transform it with some kind of editing techniques. It's all about these specific tweaks that most people completely skip. First, let's open CapCut. This is the perfect editing software for beginners. Import your ARC ads video by clicking new project and selecting your file and drag it into your timeline. Make sure to adjust the aspect ratio to vertical. Now you need to add some strategic b-roll. Think about it. Your AI character is great for explaining, but the viewers need to see the product in action. The visual proof reinforces everything your AI character says without interrupting your flow. Next, let's add those TikTok native captions. This is crucial because most TikTok users watch with the sound off. Make sure to use a font that pops against your background yet easy to read, and then drag them to the upper portion of your frame. This is super important because lower captions often get blocked by TikTok's interface elements. Now let's position our character in the corner of the b-roll to make the visual more engaging. This format has been trending on TikTok lately and it works really well. Just click on your clip, select remove background and choose auto removal. It only takes a few seconds. Once that's done, place your character in the corner and you're good to go. Your call to action is crucial too. In the final 3 to 5 seconds, create a clear instruction with text like click on the yellow basket. I like using a simple animated red arrow. Now our video is ready and here's the final results.
Who else has ever tried a workout and felt like they just fell flat on their face? Well, I'm here to show you the one tool that's about to change the game for your core. You know that frustrating feeling when you're trying to get that summer body, but winter has you all bundled up? I get it. It can be so hard to stay motivated when it feels like progress is slow. But here's the secret. This ab roller is a total game changer. It's compact, easy to use, and targets those core muscles like nothing else. If you're ready to kickstart your summer body journey, grab your ab roller now. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's roll into summer together.
While your AI video might look professional now, what separates a zero conversion video from one that makes thousands in commissions is the psychological framework behind your script. Let me show you how to use AIDA framework with Calo AI to create scripts that triggers buying decisions in your viewers' brains. First, you need to understand what AIDA actually is. It stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. A time-tested sales psychology framework that the most TikTok shop affiliates are using right now. Here's how to implement it. Head over to Calo and find your winning product. Click on the export script button and you will see an AI optimized option. Tap on that and paste this exact prompt. You can copy it from the description. After you get your script, review it and make sure it includes a strong emotion triggers. Remember, the hook is everything. In those first 1 to 3 seconds, you need to challenge a common belief or create an immediate curiosity. A hook like I used to spend $200 a month on skincare until I discovered this $20 alternative. This immediately creates both curiosity and financial interest. Now, here's the thing about this AI UGC strategy. It's working incredibly well right now, but the window of opportunity won't stay open forever. The real advantage is for those who move quickly and start implementing today. And speaking of staying ahead, I've got something special for you. Click right here on the screen to watch my next video where I show you how I created AI animated stories for YouTube Shorts. It's a completely different approach of making content that's bringing in massive views right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.